Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and safe at home. Yes, today we are going to learn a new concept in maths, which is pre-number concept, far and near. Yes, children, today we will learn about far and near. But before that, we will revise all pre-number concepts which we have learned in earlier sessions. So are you ready for that? Okay, let's start. Pre-number concepts are big, small, full, empty, left, right, and the last one is sit, stand. Right, children? Let's see one by one. Let's see some pictures related to big and small. Can you tell me, children, what is this? Yes, this green ball is big. Yes, and this orange ball is small. See the next picture. Here comes a big tree. Yes, and a small plant. Children, now you say which is big and which is small. Yes, correct. An elephant is big, an ant is small. Now we will see some pictures related to full and empty. Can you see, children? Here are two buckets. One is full of sand and the next is empty. Right, children? Coming to the next, here are two boxes. One is full of cans. Yes, the other is empty box. See the next. Here are two glasses. Yes, one is full of water and the next is empty glass. Right? Next pre-number concept is left and right. Here are two balloons, red and yellow. Red balloon is on the left side. Yellow balloon is on the right side. See the hand gloves. Here is a left hand glove and a right hand glove. Two cars are here, red and blue. Red is on the left side. Blue car is on the right side. Next pre-number concept is sit and stand. This monkey is standing. This monkey is sitting. Now, two children are there. The girl is standing and the boy is sitting. Now it's time to learn a new concept which is far and near. Right, children? But let us first know what do we mean by far and what do we mean by near. So children, far means anything or any object which is at a distance from us, and near means anything or any object at a short distance from us. So now I will show you some objects. Children, tell me, what is this? Yes, correct. This is a doll. Yes. And what is this? Yes, this is a ball. Yes. Now see the position of a ball. This ball is near the doll. This ball is near the doll. ये बॉल गुड़िया के नज़दीक है, शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पर है, तो इसे हम कहेंगे नियर. ठीक है बच्चों. दिस बॉल इज नियर द डॉल. दिस बॉल इज नियर द डॉल. नाउ टेल मी, व्हाट इज दिस? यस, करेक्ट. दिस इज अ कार. नाउ see the position of a car. A car is at a distance from the doll. A car is at a distance from the doll. ये कार गुड़िया से दूर है ना बच्चों? ये कार गुड़िया से दूर है, इसे हम कहेंगे far. Yes. This car is at a distance from the doll. This ball is near the doll. And this car is far from the doll. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, correct. This is a tree. And what is this? Yes, this is a mouse. ये माउस ट्री के बिल्कुल नज़दीक है. देखा आपने? This mouse is near the tree. ये माउस ट्री के बिल्कुल नज़दीक है. I repeat, this mouse is near the tree. Yes, this mouse is near the tree. माउस ट्री के बिल्कुल नज़दीक है. What is this? Yes, correct. This is a ball. Yes. Now see the position of a ball. This ball is at a distance from the tree. Yes, ये बॉल ट्री से दूर है ना बच्चों? आप देख रहे हो ना, ये बॉल कितनी दूर है ट्री से? हाँ, बॉल दूर है, इसे हम कहेंगे फार, है ना? यस. और ये माउस ट्री के नज़दीक है. ये माउस ट्री के नज़दीक है और बॉल दूर है, तो हम कहेंगे नियर फार. नियर फार. दिस इज अ स्विंग. यस. दिस इज अ कार. Yes. Now see the position of a car. This car is near the swing. This car is near the swing. यह कार झूले के बिल्कुल नज़दीक है, इसे हम कहते हैं near. This is a horse. Now this horse is at a distance from the swing. जो चीज़ दूर है उसे हम कहेंगे far. This horse is at a distance from the swing. यह हॉर्स झूले से दूर है, उसे हम कहेंगे far. See, this is a horse and this is a ball. Now see the position of a ball. This ball is near the horse. यह बॉल हॉर्स के नज़दीक है, इसे हम कहेंगे नियर. एंड सी द एरोप्लेन. एरोप्लेन फ्लाइज इन द स्काई. तो एरोप्लेन दूर हुआ क्योंकि वो स्काई में फ्लाई कर रहा है. दूर हुआ ना. जब कोई चीज़ दूर होती है तो उसे कहते हैं फार। ये बॉल हॉर्स के नज़दीक है, इसे हम कहेंगे नियर, और एरोप्लेन दूर है, उसे हम कहेंगे फार। So children, today we learned a very interesting topic, isn't it? Yes? Now it's time for practice worksheet. Children, this is your practice worksheet, right? In this worksheet, you have to tick the animal which is near the tree. यहाँ पे एनिमल्स के पिक्चर हैं। जो एनिमल ट्री के नज़दीक है, पास है, उसमें आपको टिक करना है। चिल्ड्रन, ध्यान से करना, आपको स्क्वायर के अंदर ही टिक करना है, बाहर मत निकालना। ठीक है बच्चों? इन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर टिक द बॉय हु इज़ फार फ्रॉम द हाउस। दूसरी पिक्चर में यहाँ 2 लड़के हैं, उनमें से जो हाउस के दूर होगा उसमें हमें टिक करना है। पता है ना बच्चों आपको? स्क्वायर के अंदर ही टिक करना, ठीक है? बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए। अच्छे से वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करना, ठीक है बच्चों? So children, keep practicing at home. Bye children.